Good morning, children. Lesson 4 from the diary of Annie Frank is going on. I think you must have read this lesson again and again. I think you understand the lesson very well. We have already discussed the questions which had been given for oral comprehension on page number 54. Next, thinking about the text. Listen the discussion carefully so that you may yourself can answer the questions. Question number 1. Was Annie right when she said that the world would not be interested in the musings of a 13-year-old girl? Okay. What is meaning musing? Can you tell what is musings? That is thoughts. Understand? Thoughts. I think this question is clear to you. Was Annie right when she said that the world would not be interested in the musings, thoughts of a 13-year-old girl? Yes, Annie was right. She said that the world would not be interested in musings or thoughts of a 13-year-old girl. The world is interested in reading of great people, politicians, statesmen, etc. Nobody would read the thoughts of a 13-year-old child. Okay? In your own language, write the answer of this question. 2. There are some examples of diary or journal entries in the before you read. Please open that page where before you read has been given. Okay, first page of this lesson. There are some examples of diary or journal entries in the before you read section. Compare these with what Annie writes in her diary. What language was the diary originally written in? This is second question. In what way is Annie's diary different? 2, 3 questions are there. Annie's diary has been written originally in Dutch language. Remember this, Dutch. Dutch, Dutch language. It has not been written in the appropriate format. Okay? You have already done diary entry in my previous class. Remember this. The diary of Annie has not been written in the appropriate format. What is format? You remember the format of diary. It is a mixture of journal, memoir, diary and log. Okay. The diary of Annie is a mixture of journal, memoir, diary and log. All these four things have already been discussed when I was discussing the activity on page number 49. You read again what is a journal, what is a diary, what is a log, what is memoir. Okay. So Annie's diary is a mixture of all these four things. Question 3. Why does Annie need to give a brief sketch about her family? Read again. Why does Annie need to give a brief sketch about her family? Does she treat Kitty as an insider or an outsider? What is Kitty? Kitty was name of her diary, and it is asked, is it insider or an outsider? See the first question. Why does Annie need to give a brief sketch about her family? Annie needs to give a brief sketch about her family in order to make it more interesting. Understand? She wanted to make her writings or diary more interesting. I think second part of this question is easy to you. She had not a truest friend. So she treated she treats Kitty as an insider. Question number 4. How does Annie feel about her father, her grandmother, Mrs. Cuperus, and Mr. Kissing? What do these tell you about her? Very interesting question. Annie feels her parents adorable. Okay. She feels her parents adorable. She loves her grandmother, you know. She feels same love for her head mistress, Mrs. Cooperus. Okay. She also loves her teacher, Mr. Kissing. After all, she is an affectionate girl who loved everyone. Now you listen again this discussion about question number 4. Annie feels her parents adorable. She loves her grandmother. She feels same love for her head mistress, Mrs. Cooperus, when she was a child. She also loves her teacher, Mr. Kissing. After all, she is an affectionate girl. Such time, such kind of people do not hate others. You can see this quality in any Frank. The people who are great, they there is no word like hate in their dictionary. They love all. You can learn this lesson, and you should also make a part of your personality. We should love each and all. Question number 5. What does Annie write in her first essay? What was the topic? First question. This is my question. A chatterbox. Yes, a chatterbox was given as an extra homework to her. By whom? By Mr. Kissing. Who was Mr. Kissing? He was a math teacher. Okay. And he writes in her first essay that talking is a student's trait, student's characteristic. She also writes that her mother is very talkative and she has inherited this trait from her mother. Dear children, the answer of Annie is very interesting. Again, you listen the discussion. Annie writes in her first essay that talking is a student's trait, student's characteristic. She also writes that her mother is very talkative and she has inherited this characteristics, this trait from her mother. So, in my next period, I shall discuss the remaining exercises. There is a homework for you. You have to write the answers of all these discussed questions, thinking about the text. 5 questions have been discussed in this class, and rest depends on you. Thank you. Be happy.